Students, this is NCERT problem 1.7 from page number 24 of the Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry, right? So let's read the statement. Calculate the molarity of NaOH in the solution prepared by dissolving its 4 gram in enough water to form 250 ml of the solution. In this question, they are asking you to find the molarity of a solution when NaOH is 4 gram and it is dissolved in water to prepare 250 ml of the solution, right? So to find molarity, we'll use the formula molarity equal to number of moles of solute. Here NaOH is in less quantity, so NaOH is solute, right? Divided by total volume of solution in liter, right? Now our first target is to find the number of moles of solute, right? So number of moles of NaOH, we can find it by the formula actual mass of NaOH over molar mass of NaOH. Now actual mass of NaOH is 4 gram. We can find the molar mass of NaOH. So molar mass of NaOH. So we can find it by adding the atomic masses of sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. So atomic mass of sodium is 23 gram per mole plus atomic mass of oxygen 16 gram per mole plus atomic mass of hydrogen 1 gram per mole. So 23 plus 16 plus 1, the answer is 40 gram per mole. Now we can find the number of moles of NaOH, right? So simply put the values. So number of moles of NaOH equal to actual mass 4 gram by molar mass 40 gram per mole. So I'll cancel gram with this gram, right? So 4 with 40. So 1 by 10. In denominator it is mole inverse. So when I'll take this mole in numerator, it will be mole, right? So 1 by 10 means 0.1 mole, right? Now total volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution is given in the question, right? So volume of solution is equal to 250 ml. But according to the relation, we have to find the volume of solution in liter. So what I'll do, I'll simply convert this ml into liter, right? So in rough you can write 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. 1 ml equal to 1 by 1000 liter, right? So simply put the value over here. So 250 by 1000 liter, right? So I'll cancel this 0 with this, right? So 0.25 liter. That is volume of solution. Now to find the molarity, simply put the values. So molarity, it is also denoted by capital M, equal to number of moles of solute 0.1 mole divided by total volume of solution in liter. So 0.25 liter. So when you will divide 0.1 with 0.25, the answer will be 0.4 mole liter inverse. Now this mole liter inverse is also known as molar. Symbolically, you can write it as 0.4 capital M.